Jai Srimanarayana. 12th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ye chaiva satvika bhavaha rajasaha तामसाश्चये मत्त एवेति तान् विद्धि न त्वहं तेषु ते मयि Om. Entire universe, including every one of us, including all of our Sattvika, Rajasa, Tamasa gunas, comes out from Sri Krishna Paramatma, but nothing affects him. So also, do not be affected by karma. Keep doing every of your activities as Sri Krishna Paramatma's service. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I realize that everything came out from you but nothing affects you. I shall also start doing my activities as your service for not being affected by karma. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 31st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshi, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra," saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, all the devatas praying to Sriman Narayana who is there in the womb of Devaki Devi. Like this they are praying, O Aravindaksha Avisuddha Buddhayaha आरुह्य कृच्छ्रेण परं पदं ततः पतन्ति अधः अनादृतयुष्मत् अंघ्रयः. Those who doesn't have a sacred intellect and sacred mind, and those who doesn't have devotion towards you, they will be doing so many tapasyas with very strict rules and regulations. Yet, because they don't have devotion towards you, with that, they will be losing whatever the positions they are in, and they will be slowly slipping off and going into bad, lowest births. All that is happening because they have no respect towards your divine feet. Whereas, O Deva, those who have love and devotion towards you, by any reason, if they again stop that devotion towards you, but you will definitely protect them, you will not let them again slip off from their positions and go into bad births. You will save them. Such, O Paramatma, you are the one Sattvam Visuddham Shreyate Bhavan Sthitau Sharirinam Shreya Upayanam Vapuhu. Ninu Naluga Ashramambula Janamulu Sevimpan Akhila Jagamula Sattvam Bunu Suddham Bunu Shreyam Bunu Nagugatram Bunivu Nanduduvu Hari. Such, O Paramatma, in order to protect this entire universe, you are the one who is taking different bodies and coming onto this earth and teaching all Vedic activities to the humanity so that they will be achieving their very purpose of life. Like that, Devatas praying to Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 12th sloka. Ye chaiva sattvika bhavaha rajasastamasaschaye mattaye veti tan vidhi natvaham teshu te mayi. Ye chaiva sattvika bhavaha rajasastamasaschaye mattaye veti tan vidhi natvaham teshu te mayi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.